Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I'm going to achieve this beautiful bridal hairstyle. Yes, very beautiful. You will love it. You will love it. Yeah, you are going to love this hairstyle. I saw this hairstyle on YouTube, so I decided to give it a try. I used one pack of expression to achieve this hair, but the one I saw, they use Brazilian wool, so I don't have Brazilian wool on ground, so that's why I decided to use expression. So guys, just watch this video to the end. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Guys, this video is where like it's self-explanatory. Do you get? It's self-explanatory, so I will not be talking too much. Like the hair, just watch the tutorial to know how I achieve this look. And if you are here, you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you like this hair, let me know. If you have any other hair you want me to try, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to try any other hairstyle, like a bridal hairstyle, like a traditional hairstyle, do let me know in the comment section and I will give you what you required for. So guys, watch this video to the end and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will be right back.
Keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love.
So guys, at the front I will be doing it, I'll be cutting it step by step, and I will be using edge control just to lay it down. Like I said before, it's self-explanatory. Yes, I will just be doing it step by step, step by step, step by step. Thank you.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep.
So I will be braiding the hair down. Like now I just finished holding the hair with the gel, and I use rubber band to tie it at the back. I'll just braid the hair to the down. Now I'm about to style the hair. So I'm just trying to check where to put the braid hair. So I'm trying to check to put it at the front or to take it at the back. So I'm just trying to position the braid hair, and I'll be needing my pin for this. So I'll be using my handmade band for at the back. Yes, I'll be using this, my handmade band for the back, and I will be using thread and needle to hold it, so I don't want it to fall down. I just wanted to use the thread and needle to secure the both side before I started using my pin. So I'll be using my expression. I'll be using black expression for this hair, and keep on watching.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need life. We need love. Lift me up in your arms.
If you are still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be part of the family, okay? Your like go a long way. Like, your like goes a long way. And also your comment as well. Drop your comment. I will attend to all your comments. Anything, I'm going to attend to you all. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, okay? So guys, thank you for watching.
Hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up.
So I'll be using these accessories to cover it up, like the place I use the rubber band and all that. Guys, what did you think about this hair? Did I try? This is actually my first time trying this hair, like trying this hair, doing the back as in with no mirror, like just only the front I can see myself, but at the back I cannot see anything. If at this point you have not subscribed to this channel, oh my god, please do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, a big thumbs up, and you can also super chat me if you want. Guys, what did you think about all these accessories that I am putting on the hair? Like, do you like it? At this other side, I put a normal pin, like a normal pin. Imagine me getting married again. Almost. Imagine me getting married again. I'm not getting married again. I just want to do this for you all, for my fans, for people that is watching me. So if you like this video, you want me to be bringing something like this, just let me know. And I'll be using my foundation to enlighten those lines, because I want the lines to be very, very showing. Like, I want the line to be visible. So that is it. So subscribe, like, and share this video, okay? Support your girl, support me. Without you, I am nothing.
Lift
not getting married again. No, I'm not getting married again. No, this is the before and after. Before and after. Almost see fine girl now. I was just feeling myself as if it was my wedding day. My wedding don't pass, so I'm just doing this for you all. Like, I do you know the time I did all these things. You know how wedding hair is, like how you get dressed and your makeup and all that, guys. This hair creation is not easy for me. Like, I dedicated my time to do this for you. Please, I will not want my work to just go like that. Give this video a like. See you on my next video.